Please tell me you got that on video.
The gar wants another one.
Ooh. Done. Looks like I have a disease.
The little musk turtles in there too. They're all in there.
Take a big scoop. They're fun. Yeah. Ready? Here we go. Let's put them in. Ah! What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, they tipped over my bin of food. All right, Gary. Anyway, watch all these fish, bro. Ready? Look at them all. Thousands of fish. There's a floating egg. Looks like a golf ball. I wish it wasn't such bad iguanas back here. I got a dope shot of an iguana just chowing on some grass the other day while I was here on the drone. There's a lot of big iguanas in this yard. Lots of them. We're at the farm. When are we not at the farm? We're always here, every video. Lots of animals to feed, but today's video is gonna be fun. We're getting guppies for the patio bowl. Y'all saw this video right here. It absolutely crushed it. Loved making that video, and I loved how y'all loved it as well. Oh, did you see that fish? Please tell me you got that on video.
I think so.
Dude, that was the sickest thing I've ever seen. If I got it, replay it in slow-mo right now. Oh, that tilapia went out of the water. Go feed the goats. Nasty, it's wet. The vet for my animals told me to put shoes on or else I'm gonna catch parasites. I have yet to do so, so it looks like I have a disease. Oh my gosh, a tree branch broke. Did you just break that branch?
I did.
Dude! When it rains, we use this. I'm gonna put it on the ground. Here you go. Get, come on, get, hey, go. Gosh dang it. Listen. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Gosh darn it, dude, these pigs. You leave the gate open a half a foot. You know who's guilty of all of it? He's the one that opens the gate for everyone every time. You, Bubba. Dude, that is your mom, you two. What are you doing, bro? That's your mom. Yo, homie, hop off. Hop off. Yo, my God. Get off. Gosh darn it. You guys are like freaking, leave your mom alone. What is going on? All right, we split them for now. I ain't never seen anything like that. That's why Muscovy ducks there's just thousands of them anywhere they go because they just inbreed.
Give it to the gar.
Oh, he ate it right there. Here you go, Gar. Woohoo! Suck that thing down. Damn. It's gone. There we go. Oh my gosh, you see, look at him.
Yeah, he's going crazy.
Oh, the gar wants another one?
Ooh. Gone. Done.
Dude.
Watch your He was 2 inches away from your finger. And watch how aggressive this one is. He'll eat it, he'll jump.
Bro.
Oh.
No, he could have fully taken
Done.
off my finger.
Your finger would have been gone.
It would have been gone.
Dude, that is crazy.
No, I am so lucky, bro. He's just so dumb. Come on, dude.
There you go. All the animals are fed, and I'm just gonna pass you to future Paul here. Here we go, future Paul. We are back in Andy's shop, and I'm here to get those exact guppies I mentioned getting in our other video when we got mollies and platies from our parents' backyard. It's been like 2 weeks since we've set up the baby turtle patio bowl, and this is where we're putting our guppies. Fancy tail guppies right here, and they are so pretty. Look at them. Look at the colors on that. Sorry, we got music going on in the background. Baby's crying in the background. If there's a distraction of noise, I apologize. Cameron! Dude, your smile is so big, dude. Good vibes around here. All right, anyway, we're gonna get all these, well, not all these, but like probably like, I'd say a dozen. We're gonna go with 12. They're gonna have babies. You can always bring them to my parents' backyard. We are going to go visit the mini pond in today's video as well. It's gonna be an awesome video. And we got our boy over here filling us up with some RO water to fill the freshwater tanks as well. So, busy day, guys. You're coming along for the ride. Enjoy, smash the like button. Let's get these guppies. Look at all the beta fish. These are all the ones that came, well, in different tubs, but y'all know my beta tank in the fish room. These are the ones that arrived, at least, with them. These are different tubs, like I mentioned, but they are all born and raised together, and hence why they can be together. Definitely ain't as pretty as mine, but they are beautiful, that's for sure. Look at that fish. Sheesh. Yeah, we're gonna do the colorful ones, obviously, more like the yellow and the red. Just trying to get as many colored ones as you can, but we're gonna do 12. 12? Yeah. A dozen of the most colorful ones you can find. Please. Take a big scoop. Those are all prime. Yeah, right into the bag. These yellow ones are super pretty. Perfect. Got our 12 guppies. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Looks good.
All right, guys.
Thanks, Andy. One thing of Oro. Toss me another one. Dude, you're 6'4" and you can't even lift some water? Come on now.
Dude, I'm not strong.
Talking about myself, sorry. All right. Before we get to the fish room and getting the guppies into the patio bowl, we are here in the backyard, and I wanted to give you an update on how the mini pond's looking. It's going through one of its first algae stages. So as you know, we just did a full clean out. You can see the water is low. We are in a drought here in Florida, like a straight up drought. The UV pump is not even on, hence why the algae is even growing. It just has the algae on the bottom, which would be prevented if that was on. I need to plug that back in and get that going, because this wouldn't look like this. Looks like there's just hundreds of tadpoles in here. Like a lot of tadpoles. As you can see, look at all the guppies. We got some platies back there. I'm out here working on this pump, and let me tell you guys, it's crazy to me that back in the day, I would make these ponds with the most cheapest of cheap products, and they would run for years. Now, same brand will work for, I mean, this is literally 1 week old, this pump. It's been in there for a week, and the thing's already not working. So, with that being said, I'm gonna have to buy a new pump. I'm gonna use the 1,000-gallon pond pump to get this one going, at least until I get a new one. As you can see, the water is clear, but on the rocks is a coat of algae. See that right there? That little layer. You can see the bottom of the rock doesn't, the top does. That's the Florida sun right there. And if you don't have a UV pump, that's what happens, and this will only get worse. So now that it's not working, I gotta get the other pump for the 1,000-gallon that's on the way for that pond, use it for here again until I can get another one to replace that. Yeah, well, there was absolutely no fixing that piece of junk. But yeah, mini pond, hi Shadow, hello there. Is clear, fish are good, but very unexpected. Did not expect to come here and see this. Not that the fish care. As you can see, they're all happy. The little one right there, hey buddy. And then all the ones back there, you can see more back there. Look how many fish are in here. The colorful ones, they kind of hang out in the rocks. You can see another one over here, another one right there. Backyard is a never-ending problem. Let's just put it that way. As beautiful as it is a never-ending issue. Mini pond update, guys. It's clear, but needs a new pump so that nothing gets even worse. The second you plug a UV in, though, like all that algae would just gone. Our little musk turtle is out. There's a snapping turtle right there where he always is. He loves these little plants giving him shade now. Yellow belly's got his head sticking out over here. I walked in and saw the soft shell and the other turtle might still be under here. Nope, I don't know where he is. I really want to show you guys the soft shell. Look at him, there he is. There he is, he's going back in his hole wherever we never could find him. Yeah. The little musk turtle's in there too. They're all in there. But guess what? In this bag, we have our, let's count. Hopefully we got as many as we paid for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think there's 11. It's all right. We got guppies right here. Beautiful, colorful fish. I've wanted fish for this. And now that it's been cycling for long enough, we got some RO water to fill this up as well. We're good to go. So what we're gonna do is acclimate these guys into their new aquarium slash patio bowl slash pond slash tank slash coolness. They're acclimating. That was cool. And while those are acclimating, we're gonna fill up all the other tanks, so. Look at all the cichlids. They're ready to eat, bro. I wanna make sure this thing has got. All the guppies are just swimming around right now. Probably just wondering how the heck they can't swim. They're in a plastic bag. But I wanted to show you, there's one in here that is a little deformed. His back's actually a little bit crooked. It's kind of crazy. Right there he is. See that? He's coming right at the camera. That is so crazy. That's kind of cool. About to put all these fish in right now. Gonna hand the camera off to Cam. Handing the camera off to Cam. That's funny, huh? Give me a nice skin for that one. Snail jump. Oh, maybe I do need to start acting more of my age. Dude. Look at all these guppies right here, fellas. About to go in to the tank. Dude, don't film this. We got them all in here. Ready? Here we go. Let's put them in. Oh, look at them. Look at them go. Dude, that adds the best touch. That is awesome. We have a good amount of fish in here. Not like none where you're not gonna be able to see anything, but not too many. It's literally the perfect amount. Love to see it. Look, they're hanging out behind the filter where it's a little less flow. You can see them kind of getting used to the whole flow. They're like getting swished around, and then they're like, all right, we're gonna learn the ways. Many places to hide. They can go up here if they don't want so much movement in the water, even up here. I'm sure when they have babies, all their babies are gonna kind of be sitting on the surface over here. Mark my words, because when they do have babies, I know that's where the babies are gonna be. That is literally a perfect spot right there. That little snapping turtle's like. But look at this. Look how sick these fish are. Let's roll some GoPro footage. When I mean I've done a lot of projects on this channel, we've done so much stuff. We've built this 1,000-gallon pond right here. Done plenty of saltwater tank, and you saw earlier on this video, built an entire farm. We've done a lot on this channel, and I tell you what, it's crazy how the simple things could be the best things sometimes. I am in love with that aquarium. Whatever you want to call it. Ah, geez, dude. Oh. Ah, whatever you want to call it, aquarium, patio bowl. This is one of my favorite projects ever, and adding these little colorful guppies to it adds that final touch. We have a total of 5 turtles in here, baby microscopic turtles, nothing crazy. When they grow, we have other places for those turtles to be, and also now a bunch of little tiny colorful fish. I could not be more excited for this. Again, everything is just, look at that. Sleep time. Boom, basking area, live plants. It is beautiful. This is just the coolest thing, and the underwater footage shows how crystal clear the water is and how happy everything looks. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Why am I sitting like this? I should probably stand up. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you smash that like button. Let's get 25,000 thumbs up on this video. And just for you liking the video, I'm gonna show you a picture of a baby possum. There you go. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace!
I'm just gonna put it.
Thank you. Well, goodbye.